The Venice of China. I can see it more. I see it. I can. Good morning. We are in Tongli town, Suzhou, China. Tongli town is a very ancient city that dates over 100 years. It's only been open to the public since the 80s. It's pretty much seen as the Venice of China. Yes, that is a direct Google quote. I'm just here for the architecture. This place is beautiful though. Very historical, very peaceful, except for the construction, but nonetheless, hopefully you get some good shots today. Bit of a photo mission today, I think, than focusing on the filming, but we're gonna try doing both. Let's go! I'll admit, when I read that they said it's the Venice of China, I can believe it. I see it. There's a lot of culture, a lot of history, and people still live here. That's what makes it so great. Very peaceful as well. It does remind me of the Venice, Murano, that little 3-island hop that you get to do as a tourist. It does remind me a lot of that. It's got the same feel to it. I like it. I really do like it. And we only got started now. So if this is how it gets started, oh, I can't wait. Apparently there's so much more to see. Whoever thought lanterns could make me happy? Please do. As always, coffee, working on my personality. The Venice of China, I can see it more. I see it. I can. I like it here. How can you not love this town? I mean, this is definitely the busy part. This is definitely where everything happens. To notice is because it's a little old town, they're doing a lot of renovations. There's a lot of, can I say, dilapidated areas, but also very historically and culturally rich compared to other areas of the city that they have started rebuilding and renovating to give it a bit more of a modern feel for the tourists. So right now, I think we're very lucky being able to see both sides of the renovation, the old part and the new part. Whereas in future, once they renovated the whole area, I don't know if it's gonna be the same feel that I want or that you get to experience. I don't think it's going to be the same feel as it is now. It's always nerve-wracking to see when little renovations like this happen, because I feel like a big part of their culture gets lost and the history, or it might actually be the exact opposite. You never know. There's an upstairs and it's pure wood. I don't know why this excites me, okay? I'm sorry if this is boring, whatever. I like wooden staircases. One thing I love about this city is how simple life is still for a lot of people in this 21st century, where we have all the technology and the drive and the cars and all these things we aspire to, the things we want. But yet for some, a beautiful landscape and a pleasant life is more than enough. And I'm in full support of it. But guys, it's been a good day, it's been adventurous. I love the city, I love the old town. It's just a very comforting feel the whole day. There's no rush. If you ever can, please come visit the city. It is definitely worth it. And until the next adventure, peace and love to all.